Welcome back, guys. So in today's lecture we will see the TOSCA navigation panel and what are the key elements available in TOSCA and what are the workspaces have inside the TOSCA. So let's begin with our TOSCA commander. So if you will see here, we have already created our workspaces in last lecture. So this is our workspace. So let me open it. So now our workspace is open, and if you will see, there are different panels and different things are available. So we will start with topmost side. So we call all these as a ribbon. Okay, so they are called as ribbon. You can see the option of save, undo, and other stuffs like different tabs like project, home, view. Okay, so view, tools, API testing. So these are the things available in the ribbon. Now, if you will come down, you will find there are these different window tabs are available. Okay, we call them window tabs, and below this particular workspace panel is known as navigation pan. This is where overview of work will be shown. Okay, and if you will come to the middle one, here you will find this is the working pan, and in this you can see these are column headers. These are column headers. Okay, and even you can edit them, you can modify them. Like from here you can do anything whatever you want. Like these are things. Suppose if you, even what you can do, suppose this is your one, move it, drag it, and merge it to cross, and it will be cancelled. In this way you can do these things. Okay, now, so guys, if you will see, there are different window tabs are available. Okay, so if you will see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tabs are available. But in our this particular course, we need to discuss only 4 of them. One is test cases, other is modules, third is requirement, and the other is execution. In our further uh, more foundation level courses, we will discuss about this course, this particular windows. But right now we will discuss only 4 particular window tabs. Okay, so if we will start with, if I will start with, say, module. Okay, so what is module? So what we do in module, so in module the scanned information will be stored in elements as a module. So if you will find the definition, we can say that whatever the information we will scan of the user interface or the particular web browser application, that will be stored in elements known as modules. Best part is this is code free. Okay, so in this section we will learn how to create test cases using these modules. Okay, after which populate these test cases with the necessary business information, which will be done in test cases. Okay, we will learn how to configure the test cases to achieve high testing coverage. Correct? Increase reusability within your testing portfolio. So if you have reached to test cases, okay, which is nothing but known as test case window tab, that means we will have created our test cases. Correct? So after module, whatever the element we have is scan for our UI, that will be converted as test cases in our other module. We can call it as a second tab, and this is our first tab. Okay, now what will happen? Okay, if test case is created, okay, what we will do, we will execute it. Okay, which will be done in execute window tab, but this particular test case should be linked with our business scope, which comes under requirements. Okay, so if I will talk about if I will talk about what are the basic tabs we have, we can say that we have, one is modules, okay, other is test case, the other is execution, and then this one requirements. Okay, so as I told you, whatever the information we will scan in the user interface, that will be known as a element called as modules, and it is codeless. After that, we will map it with our test cases using the modules, which will help us understand the business information. Okay, now we will learn how to configure the test cases to our requirements, so that will be done in requirement part, and to achieve high testing coverage. Okay, if we have discussed about test cases, we need to understand that we have to execute it, which will be done in window tab, which is execution window tab. Now, the substantial benefit of executing your test cases is that TOSCA captures the result of an execution run. Okay, so that is the part which will come in window tab. Okay, so these are the basic details and key elements we have in TOSCA, and if I will just to understand, if I will open this particular TOSCA tab, we will discuss like what is module. Okay, so module is nothing but XScan part, you can say, which is used for scanning the user interface, the web element of the user interface, and after capturing it, it will map with test cases, where it will convert it in the business format, which will be used for the execution of the test cases after mapping them to the business requirement or the scope, which will be done in the requirement window tab. So this is the basic part. Now you already got to know that this is the overview pan which we are dealing with here. It is used for overview of our work, known as navigation pan, and middle one is working pan. Okay, these are known as window tab, and above one is ribbons. We can call this as ribbons, and these columns are known as column headers, and you can remove it by dragging them down and merge it with a cross sign, a cancel sign. Okay, you can even change them from here as well. Column chooser, best fit. Okay, all of the details you can do from the here side. Okay, so I think you have came to know about the navigation part from this particular video. See you in next lecture. Okay, then bye.